We're thinking of two different songs then, because I'm thinking of haters, they gonna hate, and players are gonna play. Ballers are gonna ball, shot callers are gonna call. They ain't got nothing to do with me and you. That's just the way it is. That's just the way it is. Okay.
I'm a whole mood right now, okay? I'm a whole mood. Cause I'm too excited.
It's a vibe. Can't deny.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Your girl's back with another video, y'all. I've been itching to do this video, y'all. I want to take this old, dusty, crusty wash and go and turn it into this bomb braid out, y'all. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. I have this easy brush that I found off of Instagram that I want to give a try, and it works amazing. I'm gonna go on with Millie's, I believe that's how you say it, leave-in conditioner. Amazing. I freaking love it. And then here is my DIY, my shea butter that I made with aloe vera, and I also have my DIY hair growth oil that I will be applying to my hair. So you can see my crusty, my dryness, my Lord have merciness going on right there. So I'm starting off by sectioning my hair off. I'm not too worried about the parting of my hair. I just don't like for hair to be pulling from an area that it shouldn't be pulling from. That can cause breakage, of course. I go in my water and I really use this to just spritz on my ends to loosen up those tight coils that are like coiled together. They help loosen it up a little bit before I go in with my conditioner, which is what I'm going in now with. Y'all, this conditioner is banging for detangling. It is amazing. It's definitely my staple, definitely my go-to. So I'm just rubbing it off in my hair, releasing any of the shedded hair before I go in with this comb brush, which I love this comb brush. The next thing you're gonna see me apply to my hair is my shea butter. I make this shea butter on my own. I use fresh aloe vera with a lot of other essential oils that is really good for growing your natural hair and keeping it moisturized. And then I go in with my hair growth oil, same properties, just the oil form, and I rub that all through my hair, y'all. It's very important that you focus on the ends of your hair because, of course, it's furthest from the scalp, which means is the driest part of your hair. It is the parts of your hair that will tend to break off quicker, faster. So make sure you keep it moisturized. I went ahead and did the other two in the back off camera to save time, but as you see, the parting is not perfect, just enough so that hair is not pulling from a section that it should not be pulling from, which can cause breakage. My shrinkage is real, so I'm gonna speed this video up, y'all. It's the same concept. I'm gonna spritz the ends of my hair with water. I'm gonna go in with the leave-in conditioner and detangle and get rid of the shed hairs. Go in with the shea butter for moisturizing. Go in with the oil to lock in the moisture and braid it on up. Y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. What do y'all use for y'all braid outs, twist outs, whatever kind of outs y'all do. And I'll be right back. Back. That wasn't long at all. The reason why I do my hair like this, as far as not parting it down the middle and then section off like that, is because I personally don't like that big old part down the middle of my head. To me, it's hard to get rid of that part, no matter how much separation, picking, all that. So I like to put my hair like you see in the back, more sections. wanted to say this real quick. I know y'all are seeing me use oil and shea butter, and like I said, the shea the shea butter do have a lot of essential properties that is good for my hair and for your hair as well. A lot of different oils and whatnot. I'm going in with the oil just for extra sealant, just to seal in the moisture on a whole nother level, because I'm not taking these braids out the next day. These braids are going to stay in for about 3-4 days because I have to work and I don't have time to wake up in the morning to take these braids out. Now that my braids are all done, I just like to go in and massage my scalp, just making sure that my scalp is nice and oiled and moisturized. And yeah, just making sure I rub it all down my hair. I just want to make sure every part of my hair has some kind of moisturizing product on it. And I will be wearing it like this for the next 3 days in a ponytail, y'all. And we'll see what they're looking like in a few days. Okay, toodles. Oh my goodness, this light is hitting me right. This light is hitting me right. What's up, y'all? Okay, your girl is back. This is day like 3, I believe, since I put those braids in my head. I've been wearing it, y'all, in this bun. Ever since I put these braids in my head. I've been at work, I've been all that stuff with this bun in my head. I think it's time for me to go ahead and take them out. I just want to show y'all my hair is still moisturized. I just want y'all to see how popping my braid out is. So stay tuned, cause we about to take these braids out. Yuddy. I'm a whole mood right now, okay? I'm a whole mood. I'm too excited. Let's get into it. All right, y'all, so these are this is the bun. Y'all see, I just been having the bun here, down here, wherever. But my hair, of course, by now at least it better be 100% dry, which is y'all need to get my nails done. Like, my nails keep snagging on my hair. Okay, y'all, so my hair is completely dry. Okay, so my hair is completely dry, which is like the key. This is what my hair is looking like. See, that still has shine. The ends look amazing. So I want to do a length check before I take these braids out. I just want to see like where my hair is at. So that's what I'm about to do. Can y'all see? Okay. So this is my bra strap. Oh my goodness. Is that bra strap? My hair is bra strap. And this braid is not even straightened. Oh. Y'all, let's see one more time. Yes, this is bra. This is my bra right here, y'all. Oh, so gross. I like to use some kind of oil on my hands as I'm taking it down. Some kind of oil of your choice. It can be a single oil or a DIY oil of your choice when you're taking your hair down. That just kind of help minimize frizz and just give your hair shine and just make the takedown process a little bit easier. So yeah, that's what I like to do. So I used my product, the Course Matters Hair Moisturizer, when I placed these braids in my head. So I could go in with my shea butter and rub it through my hands and rub it through my hair, but instead of me using that, I decided to use my DIY hair growth, the Course Matters hair growth oil. This is something that's going to be coming soon that I will be selling along with my hair moisturizer butter, which is doing amazing. People are showing me so much love and I love it. I can't put my phone on vibrate. Y'all, I kind of want to know how many braids I got. Let me count. So I got about 30 braids in my head. So I just take some and kind of put it on my fingertips like so. Rub it up. The only thing that I don't like about braid outs is the take down process, because you really gotta be careful with taking on that out, that you don't cause additional frizz. I mean, frizz is okay. Frizz give you some volume, but you know, you want your hair to develop that on its own sometimes. I mean, you don't want to overly do it if you want your style to last a few days. So you just want to be very careful when you're taking your braids down. It just takes time. Look at that. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous? Done on dry hair. Oh my goodness. Y'all, lately I really have been feeling more of the stretched dry look on my head lately. I love twists. I love doing my twists. I love twists. Twist is my go-to. Mini twist, jumbo twist, wet twist, dry twist, twist. It's my go-to. But lately, because I've been, you know, really nourishing my hair, I've been feeling the stretched dry look, or the stretch look on dry hair. I've been feeling braid outs.
Dabby dab dab, rubbity rub rub, strokey stroke stroke, unravel unravel unravel.
Now sis, if you're somebody that like to have bigger hair and more volume, this would be the perfect time to get your pick and pick out the roots and take your time with separating the curls for more volume. However, for me, this natural puff that I already have going on is perfect. My hair would definitely get bigger throughout my daily activities such as work, working out, heat from outside, humidity, etc. Beautiful people, so that completes that. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this look. Until then, be loved, be blessed, and stay safe.